Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2016 Ford E-350 SD. This is a 16-foot box truck with rear-wheel drive. Got some nice tires on the front here. A lot of tread left on these. Box has been completely repainted, nice fresh coat, as well as the wheels. Nice tires on the rear here as well. Some Goodyear Wranglers. Decent amount of tread left on those as well. We've also repainted the chassis of this truck like we do with a lot of our bigger trucks with a anti-rust chassis saver paint. Prevents any new rust from forming and any existing rust from spreading. Again, this is a 16-foot box with a pull-out ramp. Back bumper has been painted with the chassis saver paint as well. Nice fresh coat. Wood floors are in great condition. Box is in overall pretty great condition as well. This truck is looking good inside and out. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the cab. Taking a look inside the cab here, this truck, like all of our trucks, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition, no rips or tears. This particular truck has a third middle jump seat here, as you can see. Fire extinguisher for emergencies mounted just in front of that middle seat. Truck is overall looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. AC is on full blast, working like a charm. As you can see, no lights on the dash. This particular truck has 198,604 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. Now, this particular Ford E-350 comes equipped with a 5.4 liter V8 Ford Triton engine, coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Now, the oil and oil filter have been changed. The rest of the fluids have been checked and either changed or topped off, depending on if they need it. As you can see, the truck is looking and running great and is ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box, a pull-out ramp, rear-wheel drive, a 5.4 liter V8 Ford Triton engine with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This truck also has a 176-inch wheelbase with dual rear wheels and a third jump seat in the middle. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.